All right, thought I'd do a teardown video of these double play canisters. This is their number one. It's red and green pearls with report. These are 6-inch shells, and the thing about them is that there's a color break and a noise break in the same shell. So it's a peanut shell in a canister shell. So we'll start the breakdown and see what we got inside here. First off, we'll start with the fuse. Those are usually 1.5 grams or so. One 1.5. Should probably get the total weight of the canister too. Before we really get into breaking it down. Balance it on there so we don't leave that out. Close enough. 200.4 is the total weight. Grams. Take that off. Now to the canister, we'll just pop the top off. There's really no space left in there. We'll get to the lift charge. Just cut the bottom off to get to that. And 12.3 on the lift. And I guess we'll start tearing it apart here. Got your time fuse, clay plug. We'll come through the top. And I will say, don't do this at home. There's going to be a lot of people that don't do this, don't do that. Yes, it's dangerous. I wouldn't recommend it. So I'll just get that out of the way now. All right, so usually you'd have a clay plug, but you can see there's something else in there. And that will be your noise shell, your report shell, whatever you want to call it. That little guy weighs a total of, let's make sure that's tarred out. That little guy weighs 68.9. We'll just say report on that. We might tear into this, we might not. We'll see where we go. So now there's another clay plug way down there where you'll have the color portion of this shell. Get down to that. Well, let's see if we can break the clay. Break it up a little bit if there's clay in there. Probably not, because it has to light this time fuse on there, so there's no clay in there. Let me grab a long handled tool here. Careful, because this is not plastic. You should do this with a plastic shell or plastic tool. But I don't got something plastic that long. Try to get this cardboard out. There we go. Grab some more tools. All right. And we're down to the color comp. And that's it. So the color is only 22 grams. So that's pretty light. Most cans, consumer cans, you'll see the 60 grams or 50 grams or whatever for the color. So there's not a lot of color in there for the burst and the stars there. I wonder if we want to get into this or not. See what's in there. Guess we can go for it, see what happens. So this does have clay. You can break the clay up easily with some of this pressure usually. Just be careful and slow about it. So grab some more tools. Thought I had everything I needed, but clearly I don't. But we'll work through it. Pick it up a little bit more. There we go. Try to keep the flash as much as I can there. That's about good. There's a little clay still in there, but that's all that. That's 26.9. All right, and we'll add that up off screen and get the total. And the total composition in this is 62.6 grams. I mean, it's kind of close to what the 60 gram limit is. Could have, maybe passed, but it does have this effect to it, which makes it so it's not consumer friendly, I guess. But there you go. This is the double play